What's up everybody, Matt Moran here for another video from the Detroit Auto Show. This is the 2019 Mercedes G550, or the G-Wagon as we all call it. And so completely new from the ground up here, and it's a pretty big change, although it still looks very familiar and very similar to the old one, especially right up front there. You still have the round headlamps with nice LED accents in them now, which is really cool. But yeah, it's I think actually almost 5 inches wider than the previous one. Still got those turn signals mounted on top of the fenders there though, which is a cool kind of retro thing there. But yeah, so going down to the side here, you'll see it still uses a V8. It's the 4-liter bi-turbo V8. It does, I think, 416 horsepower and I think 450 pound-feet of torque. That rear seat though, I was expecting it to be roomier. Now obviously the front seats are probably pushed back a good bit, but they said rear seat legroom is increased by 5.9 inches, and I don't see that there. It doesn't look like it's even got 6 inches of legroom already, and so I'm not sure about that, how they're getting those numbers, because it still looks somewhat cramped in the back seat there for sure. But anyway, going to the front here, you can see this one has the nicer quilted stitched leather seats that look really great. This typical beautiful Mercedes interior with the two 12.3 inch widescreen displays. This one obviously has the carbon fiber treatment, and really nicely done though there with the new vents there. You can see the 3 locking differential switches right in the middle, making sure that everyone knows this is still an intense off-roading vehicle that is still just also very luxurious. New frameless rearview mirror is also really cool. Going towards the back here, again, very similar with its look. You have those tail lamps that are the same shape as the outgoing one, but have the new kind of LED arrangement in them as well. Looks really good. I like this, still have the spare tire mounted to the back there to give it the proper look. And it's still very boxy. Like I said, it's about 2.1 inches longer than the old one. Like I said, almost 5 inches wider than the old one, but it really does look so similar to the old one, which is a good thing. But it still should ride much better. It's also more efficient now. I think they said it's lost about 375 pounds, so very cool there. It should help it to handle a little bit better as well. And it just does have the independent front suspension too, even though it's going to be a very capable off-road vehicle still. But yes, that's the 2019 Mercedes G550. Let me know your thoughts about it in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching.